This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 6, Lesson 4. I am Mr. Short. We are going to look at it again. I know it looks like we're just adding. So I apologize. We're on page 19. Hey, and if this is helping, hit that subscribe button, tell a friend about it. I would appreciate that. So I know more people want me to keep doing this. All right, let's keep going. So we are working on getting to multiplication, and it's going to make sense soon. But keep doing this for now, and you're going to figure out what it is. So let's look. You need to say how many are in each one. Again, I like to just make sure that they're not trying to trick me. I count them real quick. Okay, so we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 3. How does this relate to multiplication, Mr. Short? Well, if I have 7 groups of 3 equals 7 times 3. That's what you're trying to figure out. 7 times 3, because you see 3 7 times, right? 7 groups of 3. So 7 times we're going to see 3. So right now we're working on adding 3s. If we count by 3s, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So 7 groups of 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. All right, that's how it's teaching you multiplication. It's slowly showing you so you know. All right, the next one, we got a question mark. Actually, our question mark up here also was 21. I apologize, I forgot that. Down here, we have a question mark. So we have 7 groups. Looks like we get to make our own. So what do you want to put in there? You do this one on your own, because you're going to all come up with a different number than me. Do not use the number 1 and do not use the number 3. I would stay between, I'd either use 2, 4, or 5. Use 2, 4, or 5. Draw your own shapes in each one. Keep the same number in each one, though. If you're going to use 2, it's 2 in every one. If you're going to use 4 in every one. If you're going to use 5, it's 5 in every one. Okay? Down here, it says, draw a tape diagram to find the total. Well, here's our tape diagram. Okay? This, we're going to go 5, 5, 5. And they want to know all these together. All these together. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. What does that equal? Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. All right. And there is nothing on the back today. So as long as you did this one using numbers 2, 4, or 5, you should be all set. And you can go off and have yourself a good